the lowest number, which is sufficient, that work never gets blocked. So you have and I'll say, and I'm not saying anybody in particular, but if you have an organization that is organized around the thinking of silos and batches, then you're going to need to have 70, 80 people to do end-to-end thinking. If you have an organization structure that's designed around the customer end-to-end, you probably need a lot less. So I would start by if you think of the huddle as, we will never let value creation stop. There will always be somebody who answers the question. You will expose whether your organization is organized around silos and kingdoms or about the customer end-to-end. And so what I would expect is an organization that is organized around silos and kingdoms, you'd be like, in order for value to never, the creation to never stop, we need to have a lot of people. You will find that some people don't even know how to delegate, so they have to bring their whole team because they actually don't manage, they just hang out. But as you start applying principles to the structure of the business to become more focused on having a decision maker and following Toyota principles, the amount of voices you need end-to-end will shrink dramatically. So I think ours is 9. I think it probably should be about 11 for our group. And in a good big company, that probably is less than 20.